Hello, one and all. Welcome you all again in my online lecture on the topic of size reduction equipments. In my previous online lecture, I discussed about definition, objectives, advantages, disadvantages, mode of size reduction, and classification of size reduction equipments. And today, I am going to discuss about ball mill as size reduction equipment. In today's lecture, the content I'll discuss is principle, construction, working, uses, merits and demerits, variants of ball mill, and some short answer type questions. One of my listener has suggested me to include short answer type questions for competitive examination, so I will discuss them in the end of the lecture. Let's discuss about ball mill or pebble mill. It is a very important topic in pharmacy field, and ball mill is also known as tumbling mill. Whenever we explain any equipments related with any kind of unit operations, we must narrate clearly its principle, construction, working, merits, demerits, and uses. Variants are also an important part of equipments that define modified form of that equipment basically. Let's discuss about principle. Ball mill works on the principle of impact and attrition. Impact occur between the rapidly moving balls and the powder material inside the ball mill, but at low speed there is rubbing action of balls. Therefore, the predominant mode of size reduction is attrition. Let's discuss about construction. Construction of any equipment is having great value when we want to score more than good. Construction basically defines various parts of equipments and by which type of material it is made up of, size and capacity of the equipment, etc. In ball mill, there are two major parts of construction. First is cylinder and second is balls. So ball mill consists of a hollow cylinder that is mounted on a metallic frame. It rotates at its longitudinal axis. Cylinder length is more than its diameter, and another part of construction is balls. Different size and shape of balls we can use in the ball mill are round ball, bended balls, cubes, rods. Rods are used to mill sticky material. As you can see the slide, balls are made up of steel, iron and stoneware. Balls are the grinding element in ball mill. Balls occupy 30 to 50% of the mill volume. Ball size depends upon the size of the feed and diameter of the mill. Now you can see in the diagram the construction is very simple. It consists of a metallic cylinder. Steel balls are represented by black balls. Feed is represented by red color. The metal cylinder is mounted on a metallic frame which is rotated on its longitudinal axis. Now I am going to discuss about working of the ball mill. In the working, the drug which is to be reduced in size put into the metallic cylinder up to 50% of mill volume. A fixed number of balls are introduced and lid is closed. Mill is allowed to rotate on its longitudinal axis as I discussed in the construction. In the working of ball mill, speed play a very important role in its working operation. To understand the working of ball mill at low, high and correct speed, we will have to see its diagram. So in the next slide, we are going to see the diagram. At low speed, the ball roll over each other and attrition will be a predominant mode of size reduction. The use of small ball is recommended at low speed. This mode of attrition is used for wet grinding of dyes, pigments and insecticides. At high speeds, the ball are thrown towards to the wall of the ball mill due to centrifugal force. Hence, grinding will not occur when ball mill rotate at high speed. At correct speed, which is also known as cascading, the centrifugal force just occur. As a result, the balls are picked up by the wall of the ball mill and fall from the top to the bottom of the ball mill. So the size reduction is made effective. Now I will discuss the uses of ball mill. It is used to grind hard and abrasive material. It is also used for the fine grinding of particle with size range less than or equal to 10 microns. Stainless steel balls are preferred when sterile products such as ophthalmic and parenteral products are needed. At low speed, mill is used for milling dyes, insecticides and pigments. Let's discuss about merits of ball mill. First of all, the merit of ball mill is it produces very fine powder. It is a batch operation procedure and can be made continuous by adding a chamber next to the cylinder. It is suitable for both type of grinding, wet and dry grinding. Toxic substance can be ground in the ball mill. Because the ball mill is a closed compartment, sterility is maintained inside the compartment. Installation, operation and labor cost are low comparatively. So next slide is demerits of ball mill. Demerits are, it is a noisy machine, but noise can be reduced if the cylinder lined with rubber. Wear occur from ball as well as casing, which may result in contamination of the product. It is difficult to clean the machine. It is a slow process because the rate at which energy can be applied is limited. Soft, tacky and fibrous material cannot be milled by ball mill. So next I am going to discuss about variants of ball mill. So there are three variants of ball mill: hardened mill, continuous ball mill and vibrating ball mill. In hardened mill consists of hollow cylinder with a conical central section. The small balls are placed near the discharge end where they can perform the finest grinding. The largest ball remain in the cylindrical feed end with gradual decrease in size of balls. Differential centrifugal force causes the finer particle to move towards the discharge end. In continuous ball mill, operating ball mills consist a series of chambers that are separated by sieves of successfully finer mesh size. The equipment is positioned under a small slope so that powder can pass to the next chamber. In vibrating ball mill, the metallic cylinder is supported on a spring base and subjected to force vibrations induced by electromagnetic means. There are several advantages also of vibrating mills. This mill is free from rotating parts and grinding efficiency is very high. So guys, this was all about ball mill. I hope you understood all the things I discussed before. Now I am going to discuss some short answer type questions which are very important from exam point of view. So under this category of short question, first question is, hardened mill is the variant of which type of size reduction equipments? I know you have given the correct answer, that is ball mill, which is very easy to you all. Second question is, as the rate of feed increases in the ball mill, the size reduction is, answer is decreases, since the material retained for the shorter time period inside the ball mill. Third question number third, correct speed of ball mill is known as, you all know very well if you have watched this video, cascading is the answer. And the fourth question is, which type of speed is used to mill dyes, pigments and insecticide? And the answer is slow speed of the ball mill. You must concentrate on these questions. The first question, Half-inch mill is the variant of which type of size reduction equipment was recently asked in GPAT examination 2019. So guys, hope you find this video helpful for you. I request you to like, subscribe my video channel. You can leave your suggestions in the comment box. See you in the next video. Pharmacy learning step by step. Remember this video channel. Good luck to you all.